Good morning, my name is Luis Moyano. I was born in the Riobamba city on January 13, 1998. By science, I have living in Quito. I am 20 years old. I am a happy person and a sport person. I studied the mechatronics career in the University of the Fuerzas Armadas ESPED. I like the playing the different sports, but the most like is the football. I am play the guitar since the 20 years old. I want to learn English to be able to travel to different countries, and I like learn English because the most information on my career, with robotics and others, is information and books in English. For this, I learn English. Thank you.